Hey Dad. Hey Dad, would you take a peek inside the whole time? Take a look at the motor again.
You wish I would have gotten one like this, buddy? Or you like my door?
I wish you should have got that one.
Yeah.
Or this washer.
My washer is very similar to the Maytag.
Because it got a drain spin.
Yeah. Mommy's just got to move her door from the side it's on to the other side. Because it's a pain in the booty.
Wow.
Hey Dad, turn it up some, please. And leave it running.
He went. They said we've both been dancing all this time. What a coincidence.
So we saw a video that said the women can do this because they have a lower center of gravity and that men can't. So we're going to test it out. So you're going to put a foot against the molding and then the other foot directly behind. And then again. And then you line your feet up. Put your head against the molding of the wall.
Dad.
And then bring the chair
Dad,
underneath
would you
Make
turn
sure you're
off
low
if it's
enough.
racist?
And then pull the chair to your chest and stand up. Now Gavin is bigger than Hannah, so he should be able to do this. So foot against the molding and then behind.
Hey, if it races, turn it off.
Chair
Hey, don't wait for it to stop.
and stand up.
And
He couldn't do it.
So
Bitch, nigga, snitch, nigga, hoe, nigga, bitch, nigga, 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 bitch, nigga,
seems like it's racing right now. I don't want to leave it running. I want to leave it. Hey, if it races too fast, you should turn it off right now. I thought I was going to wait for it.
Yeah.